Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MH Academy. Hope you all doing well. Today let's discuss about the topic called signals and systems. And in this signals and system, we can discuss about the classification of signals, what is signal and what is system. And for PDF, join my Telegram channel in the description link. So let's start our video from signals. So let's know what is signal. Signal is a function or a data set which represents a physical quantity or variable which is independent. Usually, signal encapsulates information about the behavior of a physical phenomena. In simple words, signals are function of one or more independent variable. And for taking an example, we can understand what is signal. Signal is electric current flowing through a resistor and sound waves propagating under water or earthquakes. Mathematically, a signal is represented as a function of an independent variable t, typically representing time. Thus, a signal is denoted by x of t. And in these signals, this figure represents 2D graphical representation of any signal is x-axis and y-axis, where x-axis is time axis and y-axis represent magnitude axis. If time axis, next we are having types of signals. In these types of signals, we are having many different categories. So let's know first type, that is continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Next we are having deterministic and non-deterministic signal. Next even and odd signal, periodic and aperiodic signal, power signals, energy signals, and real and imaginary signals. Next, let's know about system. What is system? System is any process that produces an output in response to the input. If we give an input, then we can get an output. That is system. We can understand it by using a block diagram. As we are applying an input signal to the system, then it produces the output signal. For example, you may want to design a system to remove noise in electrocardiogram, sharpen an out of focus image, or remove echoes in audio recording. Next, let's discuss about the types of system. Systems are classified into following categories: memoryless system and system with memory, dynamic and non-dynamic system, casual and non-casual system, linear and non-linear system, and time variant and time invariant system. Invertible system. Invertible system is also called as inverse system. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.